Sneezing the wrong way can actually break a rib. Yes, it's true. Imagine your sneeze packing so much force that it could cause a rib fracture. Sneezing is a violent activity, propelling air out of your nose at speeds up to 100 miles per hour, which is why it's crucial to do it safely. To avoid injury, keep your mouth open and avoid suppressing the sneeze by holding your nose or clamping your teeth shut. Instead, let the sneeze flow naturally to distribute the force evenly. Also, try turning your head and bending your elbows slightly to absorb some of the impact. This simple adjustment could save you from the excruciating pain of a broken rib. Remember, sneezes are powerful, handle them with care.